Hey there, winos, this is Vince.WINE, and today I'm going to do something a little different. We are going to test our wine knowledge with some really cool apps that I downloaded off the App Store. I'm looking forward to some pretty cool quizzes here, and I want you winos to take them with me. So grab a glass of wine, or a cup of coffee if it's morning, or a glass of wine, and join me. Let me know in the comments how many answers you actually get right, and if you happen to learn anything new or interesting. It's pop quiz time on today's Wine Lab. Thanks for joining me. And before we get started today, if you want to be a winoceros, hit subscribe on this channel to become a wino today. I'll put out new videos every single Saturday. So be sure to hit that bell icon to stay notified for more great wine content. Okay, so I downloaded this Decanter app, and it's just supposed to be this really cool quiz app. So I kind of just want to see how well we do today. Let's jump into it. Okay, so I'll go to this little quiz time here and click begin, and let's see. All right, cool. So they just throw us right into it. Oh my gosh, we've got 5 seconds to answer. I'm not going to be that fast. Let's see. By what other name is the grape variety Zinfandel known in Italy? Is it Trebbiano, Garganega, Lero, Primitivo, or Corvina? Okay, which one do you think it is? I'm going to say Primitivo. It didn't tell me, so we'll see. I guess all the answers come at the end. Okay, Burgundy. Puy-Fessé AOC for well-known premium Chardonnay falls within which Burgundian district? Is it Chalonnais, Chablis, Côte d'Or, or Maconnais? Puy-Fessé, oh gosh, I actually really don't know. I think those are all Burgundian districts. Okay. Chardonnay, Chablis. I don't think it's Chablis. I think it's more towards the bottom. The Côte d'Or is made of the Côte de Nuit and the Côte de Beaune, so it's still kind of at the top. I want to say that it's either Chalonnais or Maconnais, and I'm going to go with Maconnais. So let me know what you winos picked, and we'll see how we did here. Okay, South Africa time. What is the name of the oldest winery in South Africa? Wow, I actually don't know. Bokenhoutskuluth. Totally butchered that, I'm sure. Groot. Constantia, Canongkop, Ken Forrester, or Tokara. This is going to be a complete guess. I have no idea. Let's say Tokara. Oh, okay, that gave me the red X on that, so that means that the orange check means I did get it right, so that's good to know. I didn't realize that. Okay, what style of wine is Bouvet Ladouber most commonly associated with? I've got no idea. What style of wine is, okay, do you winos know? What style of wine is it? Is it wine, sparkling, red, or rosé? I'm just going to say sparkling. Hey, I think that means I got it right, but that really was a guess. Let me know if you winos got that one. Okay, the Rheingau vineyards are situated along the banks of which two rivers? Is it the Rhine in Maine, the Main and Nahe, the Mosel in Maine, the Nahe and Neckar, or the Rhine and Mosel? I'm going to say it's the Rhine and the Mosel, because those are the only two that I'm really familiar with. Ooh! Okay, I got that one wrong. Alright, I don't know how well I'm doing. Okay, cool. Do Grenache grapes generally have low, medium, or high sugar levels? I honestly don't know. Grenache is typically a dry wine and not too high on the alcohol, so I'll just say medium. Ooh, I'm wrong again. Yikes, it'll be really cool. I hope they give me the answers so that I can actually learn something. Next up, let's go to California. What is the second most widely planted white grape variety in California? White grape. Okay, so it's not Syrah, French Colombard, Cabernet Sauvignon, no, Muscadet, and Cinsault. So I think the only two there were Colombard and Muscadet that were actually white varietals. So I think it's Muscadet, and I am wrong. Okay, and I saw that it highlighted the correct answer, so I need to pay attention to that. But it was, I believe, Muscadet. So, or, I don't know. I'll have to go back and look. Okay, Rhone grapes. What kind of climate does Grenache usually require to fully ripen? Is it moderate to warm, hot, warm, cool, or moderate? I'm going to go moderate to warm. Oh my gosh, it's warm. Okay, I am not an oenologist. Okay, I am a sommelier. Okay, I'm not a vineyard guy, but no excuses. We're going to learn. Okay, how are you winos doing so far? I think it's time for a wine break. Maybe we should make this a drinking game? Okay, in the Loire, what is the main red grape variety for wines made in Chinon and Bourgogne? Chinon. That is Cabernet Franc. Hey, I got one. I learned that one from the wine guide. I'll link to the video where we talk about the Loire Valley. Okay, we failed. Quiz complete. You scored 5 correct answers out of 10 questions. That's 50%. I'm pretty sure that's an F. How did you winos do? Did you guys do okay? Okay, and I think with Decanter, I can only do 10 questions at a time. They really want you to focus on retaining the information, and so they want you to do this every single day. Okay, let's do the next one. The next app that I downloaded is called True Wine, and I can't get the logo in there, but I'll put the logo somewhere. But True Wine. So this was a free one, and I'm excited to see. The interface looks pretty cool, so I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like. Let's jump into it. Acidity, sweetness, tannins, and alcohol. Together, these components are known as a wine's structure. Which is part of a wine structure? Carbonation or acidity? Oh, come on. All right, winos, which is it? I'm gonna go with acidity. Ding! All right, let's move on. Okay, hopefully they're a little bit more complicated than this. At least don't give me the answer in the question. Okay, let's see. All wines have a structure, true or false? Okay, I think I see where this is going. Let's just give it a little bit more of a chance here. Okay, which is not part of a wine's structure? The rating, the rating, the alcohol, the sweetness, or the tannins. Oh, if only the ratings were part of the structure. Okay, cool. Submit. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing okay here. Oh boy. I think this one's drinking game should be every time you get an answer right, you drink. I think I do want to see a more complicated category. Let's do that. Oh, this is cool. This is some WSET practice questions. Let's do these. These are going to be pretty hard. I chose level 3, so let's see how this one actually goes. Okay, so is this color gold, lemon green, or lemon? I'm gonna go with lemon, and ooh, it's gold. Okay, so my coloring is off a little bit. How should salmon be prepared to accentuate the body of a Sauvignon Blanc? Wow, this is cool. Pan-roasted salmon with rosemary and thyme, pan-roasted salmon with tomato and vinaigrette, or pan-roasted salmon with honey garlic glaze. Ooh, man, this is a really tough one. I wouldn't say it was tomato or probably honey, most likely the rosemary and thyme. Oh, man, I'm not going to do too well on these. This is definitely up there. Let's see how we can do. Tap the pears. Merlot. Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. Abruzzo. Oh, my goodness. This is so hard. Napa Valley and Merlot. Western Cape and Pinotage. Primitivo and Montepulciano. No, Primitivo and Puglia. There you go. And Abruzzo and Montepulciano. Wow, winos. This one's really hard. I might need to go down to level 2. I am a certified sommelier, believe it or not. Let's see how well we can do. Okay, what color is this wine? Let's redeem ourselves here. Is it ruby, tawny, or purple? I'm going to go with tawny, and that is the correct answer. It does look just like tawny port. How are you winos doing on this one? This one's getting kind of hard. I'm really enjoying this. We're going to learn quite a bit. Let's have a drink and see how it goes. A little study fuel. Okay, which region is known for its white wine Orvieto, DOC? Oh, I have no idea. Lazio. Wrong. Continue. Okay. Nausa is a PDO for, oh my gosh, these are so hard. Is it Zino Mavro, Muscat, or Aggiorgitico? Oh my gosh, I have no idea. Aggiorgitico. That was just a guess. It was Zino Mavro. Oh, Wine Scribble's gonna be so mad at me. Okay, let's just do a couple more. Tap the pairs. Veneto is, I'm gonna say Pinot Grigio. Excellent. Pinot Noir is in Chablis. Okay, Chablis is Chardonnay, duh. Pinot Noir, no clue. Casablanca Valley? Must be. And Merlot is in the Medoc. Okay. Whew, this is tough. How you winos doing? You holding in there? Okay. The blank method is used to ferment wine and retain carbon dioxide. I'm going to say the tank method. Excellent. Okay, this is really hard. Okay, this is WSET level 3, okay? That's like an advanced song, which is the level above me. But this is so cool. Let's just do a couple more. Okay, what color are most white wines? Gold, lemon green, or lemon? I'm going to say lemon. How about gold? Dang it, it's lemon. I should have just stuck with my instincts. What color is this wine? Okay, this one has to be lemon. Dang it, it's gold. That was the second time I failed that question. Oh no, it gave me a second chance and I failed again. I didn't know I could repeat questions. Okay, I'm gonna get the next 2 in a row, I promise. Here we go, winos. How should salmon be prepared to accentuate the body of a Sauvignon Blanc? They are repeating the questions for me. I learned something. It's the honey garlic. Oh no! Okay, which region is known for its white wine Orvieto, DOC? And I think it was Umbria. Hey, I did learn one thing. Okay, Nausa is a PDO for Zino Mavro. See, now I'm learning. This is cool, and it's free. Whoa, this is awesome. Okay, let's keep going. What color are most white wines? They're lemon. Yes! Oh my gosh, what color is this wine? Okay, winos, we're going to redeem ourselves. This wine is gold! I'm just reminded of, what is it, Liar Liar? The pen is blue! The pen is blue! Okay, it's gold. Finally, got it. Okay. Let's just try to get the ones we missed correct here. The ones, I'm assuming you missed them with me. You probably got them all. The ones I missed. And here we go. How should salmon be prepared to accentuate? It is with the tomato vinaigrette. Yes, got it. Okay, WSET level 3. Hey! Not so bad. That was cool. I am definitely going to be using this app again and again and again. The free one is better, and you can probably play with it as much as you want. I shouldn't say it's better, but oh, man, just the strength, the level of those questions was just like, oh man, that was really good studying for me. I've got a long way to go, and if you winos didn't do that great, don't sweat it, okay? You will never know everything about wine ever for the rest of your life. There's just always going to be so much more, but that's the thing to love about wine. So let me know in the comments how well you winos did, and if this was a fun video for you, leave me a like, and let me know if you want to play a couple more quizzes and test your knowledge alongside a certified sommelier. You saw the worth that title had. Okay, if you enjoyed what you saw here today, please leave me a like. That helps so much. Don't forget to share this video with your wine friends, and until next time, winos, drink safe and drink well. Cheers. That was pretty fun.